Hey guys, how's it going? Hope everyone is doing fine. So guys, doing a quick video of my first monster trucks. I don't own any monster trucks, but I decided to buy a couple to add to the collection. And these trucks are by Greenlight, and as you guys can see, they come from the set called King of Crunch. And this is a 1972 Chevy C20, and it's called Gentle Ben 1. So this is what the guy look like. I'm not sure how clear this is because I'm trying to do something else. I'm trying to use my video editor to record and see how that looks. So as you guys can see, haven't cracked it open yet. But so for this, I guess there's two series. One is 3 and the other one I have is 4. So if you take a look on the back, I guess that's all the cards that goes with this particular series. So we have the 72 Chevy K10, another 72 Chevy K10, the one I have now is a 74 Ford, there's a 79 Ford, and another 79 Ford. So I haven't seen those, but like I said, guys, this is my first time owning monster trucks. I have trucks, but not monster trucks. Pacific. So guys, also in this video, I want to mention, before I move on to the next one, before I lose you guys, is there's a little game I want to do. And so we're going to have this game is going to be called Tag. I'm still kind of like working on the details on how we're going to play this game. So it's not a challenge per se, but it's just something to do, a little something fun to do. So we have done so many challenges, so let's figure out, let's have some fun and play a game. And as you know, guys, as kids, we all play tag, so that's the whole premise of this game. If I do a video of something, I would tag the next person. And the thing with this whole tag thing, you don't exactly have to do, well, first you have to do what I tag you to do. That's number one. But you can change it to something else and tag the next person. And so on and so on. I'm just trying to figure out if we want to do 2 people at a time or just 1 at a time. So guys, help me out. Leave a comment. Tell me what you guys think about that. And let's have a little fun. Now that that's out the way. Okay, like I said, guys, these guys are from Greenlight. I got these cards from this place called Fairfield Collectibles. I think I had the paper around here somewhere. Well, I do have it. I don't have anything else with it. Well, so this is their magazine I get, like, I think once a month or something like that. Check them out, guys. They have some decent stuff there. They're not big, but they have some nice stuff. And as you guys can see, some of the stuff they have in their catalog. They have 124 scale, 164 scale, 118. So give them a try. So that's my 10-second plug. Okay, so here is the next one, and this is also a 72 Chevy C20, and this one is called Big Bear. And guys, I don't know if you can see it, but you can see it says Series 4 up there where my finger is. So again, guys, hope this coming in clear. Because normally, guys, I do a lot of close-up, but eventually I will open these. Let me try to collect a few more. So that'll be my quick review here. I'm dying to open these up, but another time when I get more. So guys, like I was saying before, tell me what you think about this game of tag. Also, as always, you know how we roll as a group. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. Turn on that notification, guys, to let you guys know that, hey, Gary Diecast Collection has uploaded another fantastic video. Oh, stop it. But hopefully you guys, if you see the notification, come check me out. I appreciate you guys' support as always. I cannot do this without you guys, even though I love making videos, but I like sharing them with you guys also. So guys, until the next video, you guys take care. Happy hunting. Deuces. I'll see you guys later. Bye now.